Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach my first programming in NetBeans IDE using Java. So here I'm going to open the NetBeans IDE. If you don't know how to install the NetBeans IDE, I have given the link in the description. You will be able to see how to install the NetBeans IDE in your machine. Okay, basically, if you are a beginner of Java programmer, wants to developing the GUI application using Swing, the NetBeans IDE is a tool which is easy for do the Swing application. If you go for a Java FX application, you can go to the Eclipse. Okay, so I'm going to click new project. Here you have to select as, don't select here Maven. This is advanced technologies. Select and I'm going to go to Java application, not Java FX. This is Java. This is based on Java FX, Java and click on it. Click next. Okay, you just click next. Okay, so here the first time it will be after you install it, the NetBeans IDE. After you open it, at the very first time it is activation. Now that's Java version successfully configured. Now here you can see ask the project name. I'm going to give the name here as my first app. My first app. That's it. This is the package name. This is nothing but a package name. You have to uncheck it, the main class. Click OK. Now you can see that your Java project has been creating at the taskbar. You can see over here. Okay, it's created successfully. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this is your project. Okay, so here right click, new project. Okay, so you have tried the new project. You have tried this is the new project. Okay, so here this is your package. So here this is the inside package, source package. It's a default package. So this is the default package. Right click, new. You have to select as a JFrame form. This one. Click on it. It asks the form name. I'm going to first tab. That's it. Click OK. It's very simple. This is how we have opened the application in NetBeans IDE. Okay, so very simple. It's the first step application. Okay, so it has a two views. One is a design view, another is a source view. Source view you will be able to write the codes. Design view you will be able to design the views. So if you are go along with that design view, first what you are going, this is the frame. The frame, select this is the workspace where we are going to work. How to work, getting the tool and work on that workplace. Okay, so what you're going to do is now I need a panel. First, you just drag and drop. This is very important stuff. Okay, when you are without a panel, you don't drag and drop. Okay, the panel is very. This is like a wall in the. It is nothing but a wall in our home. Okay, the wall we can hang the anything. We can hang the pictures and something like that. Okay, so same thing like that. Here this is the wall. This wall we can hang these buttons, label and everything. Now I'm going to go to put to simply. This is the panel. This panel, just click on it, right click, properties. I'm going to change it a border, bevel border. There are various border types are there. I'm going to select as soft bevel or something like that. You can select anything you want. I just select this one and go click. Okay, so I select that. Now I'm going to drag on this label, right click, edit text. I'm going to put it this one, my first tab. Now after that what I'm going to do is we have to select this one, right click, properties, font property, bold, 48, click OK. Now let's wait here, like, that's it. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, now you can see this is like some pictures like that, picture look. Okay, the my first, this is nothing but you just arrange it like this. Here you have to reduce the size a little bit like that. Okay, so here you can see over here, this is a frame. Inside the frame, inside the frame you have drag the panel. Inside the panel you have drag the text. Okay, this text you will be able to change the color and everything you want. So if you run the application, you can run it, right click on the first tab and run file. This is one option. The second option, click on it here and run the app. Okay, there are plenty of options available in order to run it. Okay, you have to click on it here, otherwise run, and here. Okay, whatever. The shortcut key also will be the F6. So I want to select one of the option on this. Okay, I'm going to click it. This one, it asks to that main. Okay, click OK. Now it's processing. Your application is building. This is the kind of that Java build application. Here it's running. Now it is randomly running. Here you can see it is take to here. I want to run this application at the middle of the screen. How to run it? You have to click on that tab, frame, not this one, panel, frame, right click, properties, code, generate center, close it, again run it. Now it's actually run at the center screen. After that, you will be able to see this is not a look and feel of the Java application. Okay, this is not a look and feel of the Java application. This is just something boring. This is ugly, that user interface is kind of ugly. How can I make it this one as a awesome look? Simply go to the source. Okay, this is source, control plus F to find control plus F. You can go to find, you can type UI, press enter key, press enter key. Here you can nippers. This is the nippers, mean this is the nippers interface. I want to select as metal. Now again you have to run it here. This is the actual look and feel of the Java application. This is the actual look and feel of the Java application. This is how we have get the look and feel of the Java application. Thank you for watching.